Those letting contracts for construction or rehabilitation of roads call for long-lasting pavements. Contractors dream of flexible machine technology, and road users want as little inconvenience from roadworks as possible. VÖGELE's reply to these demands is inline pave. When applying the inline pave method, binder course and surface course are placed in a single pass, thus yielding not only a perfect bond of layers, but also strong interlocking. Both properties are fundamental requirements for the longevity of roads. This exactly was essential for the authorities letting the contract for rehabilitating a section of the busy A61 motorway near Mannheim, Germany, which carries lots of heavy goods traffic. In a first operation, Wirtgen milling machines remove the old binder and surface courses. Every night, some 2,000 tons of milled asphalt material were loaded onto lorries and hauled off. Behind the milling machines followed the VÖGELE InLine Pave train. The train is made up of 3 team players, a mobile feeder, a paver for binder course, and a second paver placing surface course. All 3 are based on machines of standard design that have undergone just slight modification for hot-on-hot paving. This represents a substantial economic advantage for contractors, as they can use each of the inline pave machines also for conventional paving. As a result, productive utilization of their equipment pools is increased considerably. The MT1000-1 mobile feeder supplies the 2 pavers of the inline pave train with mix. The feeder comes with an extra long conveyor unit that kinks hydraulically. This allows to conveniently reach both the material hopper of the paver for binder course and the module transferring mix into the hopper of the paver placing surface course. By the way, when changing from binder to surface course mix and vice versa, the conveyor automatically adjusts in height and distance. Of course, the conveyor unit of the mobile feeder, as well as the conveyor of the transfer module for the paver placing surface course, are heated. This effectively prevents the mix both from sticking or cooling. The transfer module also includes an operator station, adjustable in height. The station allows a higher operator position for unobstructed visibility of all action on site and eye-to-eye contact with other machine operators. Green and red lights provided on the mobile feeder indicate to the feed vehicles their turn to approach the feeder. The green light comes on when binder material is needed and red for surface course mix. For smooth handling of an inline pave contract, optimal job site logistics are essential. On the A61 motorway, 10 centimeter binder and 2 centimeter surface course were paved. This meant that after 3 28-ton lorries dumping binder material into the mobile feeder's receiving hopper, 1 lorry with 16 tons of surface course mix followed. Laser sensors pick up the distances between the inline pave machines, and these distances are kept constant by automatic control. A process-related change in distance between the mobile feeder and the paver placing binder course, necessary when swapping between mixes, is also initiated automatically by the control system. The core of the inline pave train is the Super 2100-2 IP paver, combined with an AB 600-2 IP screed. This is a special high compaction screed based on VÖGELE's unique pulse flow hydraulics. Only this screed with 2 pressure bars makes hot-on-hot paving possible. The screed achieves an extremely high density, so that in terms of evenness and compaction, the binder course placed by the inline pave train is absolutely equal to conventional paving, without rolling. As a result, the second paver, weighing some 40 tons, including extra storage hopper and mix, can pave the surface layer right behind the Super 2100-2 IP without sinking. On the A61 motorway, the VÖGELE paving train worked in 4.7 meter width at a speed of 3.5 meters. Each night, 1.3 kilometers of carriageway could be resurfaced. For paving surface course, a Super 1600-2 with a normal AB 500-2 TV extending screed was used. As an alternative, a Super 1800-2 could have been employed as well. Both pavers are machines of standard design. All they need for an inline pave job is a large extra hopper, insulated against loss of heat and holding 25 tons of mix, as well as extra wide track shoes with a water spring system that prevents the mix from sticking to the crawler tracks. Thanks to the fast setup and the compact dimensions, even short road sections, such as crosstown links, can be rehabilitated quickly and economically, hot on hot. Finally, 3 HOM rollers were used on the A61 to produce the final density. In just 4 night shifts, the Wirtgen Group machines rehabilitated 5.2 kilometers of lorry lane quickly and economically, hot on hot. The A61 motorway is just one example. In the past 3 years, some 1.5 million square meters of carriageway were built or rehabilitated with inline pave trains throughout Europe. Faster, with less cost involved, and longer lasting results compared to conventional paving.